Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. This is another video in my series, Investing for Beginners, because I want you to start off right with your investing journey. There are no questions or topics that are too beginnerish. You should never be embarrassed or afraid to ask questions. And I'm going to put my email address down below on this video. My name is David Modell, and my email address is davidmodell@gmail.com. If you want some help or further help with investing, trading, whether it's cryptocurrencies, stocks, options, commodities, whatever it might be, I can help you to put together a plan for your trading, for your investing, because if you don't have a plan, then you really are planning to fail. So I want you to get started off right. Let's talk about cryptocurrencies, and especially let's talk about Bitcoin, because the topic of this video is how do I buy Bitcoin? Maybe you've heard of this Bitcoin thing. Maybe you want to get started buying some. Well, first let me say you don't want to mortgage your house to buy Bitcoin. I do not recommend that, all right? I do not recommend taking your entire investing portfolio and putting it into Bitcoin. You can put some of it or a little bit of it, and I cannot tell you what to do or what not to do, but personally, for me, I would not take my entire portfolio or even most of it and put it into Bitcoin. Because cryptocurrencies can move up a lot and they can move down a lot. Right now, we're seeing a lot of green in the cryptocurrencies. I'm on worldcoinindex.com, and I use worldcoinindex.com, and I also use coinmarketcap.com. I use those two frequently to check the prices of the most popular cryptocurrencies. And interestingly enough, Bitcoin is number 2 on worldcoinindex.com. That's very rare for that to happen. We've got EOS at number 1 and BTC, which is Bitcoin, at number 2, interestingly enough. But Bitcoin has the name recognition, maybe you want to buy it. So after you check the price, because you always want to see where it's at on the chart, you want to look at the news, see how Bitcoin is doing, see how cryptocurrencies are doing, just generally speaking, not only in the United States and Canada, but also around the world. You want to see how it's doing in Asia, because that has a big influence as well. All right, so how do you buy it? Well, you need to find a platform. Okay, you need to find an exchange. An exchange, it's kind of like a broker. With stocks, you have brokerages, okay? Well, with cryptocurrencies, you have exchanges, which perform the same function. It's a place that lets you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Some of them will let you only trade, meaning buy and sell Bitcoin and a few others, the more popular ones. Others will let you buy and sell many different ones. So let's take a look at a few of the more popular ones. Okay, the most popular one is Coinbase, and I'll keep this up here. This has all of the addresses where you can visit them online. www.coinbase.com right there. In fact, all of these are .com. Basically, it's just whatever name I tell you for the exchange, you could just put .com after it, and that's how you get there. All right, so Coinbase is the most popular one. It also has, in my opinion, high fees. Okay, the commissions that they charge are rather high. On the other hand, it's really popular, so you'll never have to worry about, you probably won't have to worry about Coinbase shutting down anytime soon. It'll probably be here for a while. All right, and also there's lots of liquidity, meaning plenty of buyers and plenty of sellers, and so you don't have to worry about if you want to buy something, will there be anybody on Coinbase to sell it? Yeah, sure there will be. If you're going to sell it, will there be somebody there to buy it? Sure, there will be, because it's Coinbase and it's so popular. All right, so the problems with Coinbase are, again, the fees and the commissions are kind of high. Okay, the other problem is they're limited in their menu of cryptocurrencies. You've got Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. That's it. Those are your 4 choices. If you want to buy or sell something else besides those, then you're out of luck, at least when it comes to Coinbase. All right, and as we can see on worldcoinindex.com, there's a lot more to the cryptocurrency world than just those 4. All right, and that's all they have right now. Could they add more? Later on, Coinbase, could they add more? Sure, they can do whatever they want. But right now, they only have those 4, so it's limited. But if you're a beginner, if you're just starting out, might not be a bad place to start, because another advantage of Coinbase is they make it really easy. And I'll show you what it looks like when you're logged in. Okay, all the buttons are really simple. You got right on the dashboard the price of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You just buy or sell by clicking that buy sell button. You can check to see how much you have in your account by clicking on accounts. It's about as simple as it gets. All right, so if you're just starting out and if you don't mind paying more fees, and if you don't mind the limitations of only having 4 different cryptocurrencies on there, Coinbase.com could be a good place to start. All right, so that's what it looks like when you first log in. Let's go back to we're here and we're on Coinbase. Let's check out some other ones, all right? Because again, this is limited. 4 different coins, that's not much. All right, so let's take a look at Poloniex. And I just picked some other ones. I'm not favoring right now. I'm not favoring one over the other. So these are some of the more advanced ones. Maybe start out with Coinbase with those 4 different coins you can trade or invest in, and then later on you can move on to some of these more advanced ones that have more choices. More options, but they also are more complex. Coinbase has one of the simplest interfaces. It's really easy to use. These are perhaps more difficult, I would say. Here's Poloniex, one of the most active crypto exchanges in the world. All right, just set up a trading account there. There's one. You've got Bitfinex, the world's largest and most advanced cryptocurrency trading platform. Okay, if they say so, that's what they say. And then you got Bittrex. That's another popular one. You just sign up right there. All right, we've got Binance. Exchange the world with Binance. There are a lot of different coins on Binance. Look at all these different possibilities. It just keeps going and going. Binance is becoming very popular lately, and if you want to have a lot of different coins or tokens that you're able to buy and sell, that may be a good choice for you. But it's not the easiest one to use. If you want the easiest one, perhaps Coinbase. KuCoin. KuCoin.com. These are all .com, by the way. All right, there's another one with lots and lots of different coins, tokens, including some lesser known ones. Not just the popular ones, but some unusual ones as well. That's pretty cool. All right, and GDAX. GDAX is not the easiest one to use. In fact, it's one of the more complex or advanced ones to use, but the fees are very low. The commissions are very low for this one. So if you're more advanced and you make a lot of trades and you don't want to pay high fees and commissions, you may want to go with GDAX, but you really have to know what you're doing. All right. But that's something to consider for more when you get more advanced. This is more of a beginner video, so you may want to look at these more advanced ones later on. And I'm going to give a shout out to my friend Rich from Rich TV Live over in Canada. He did not ask me to do this, but I felt like doing it. Why not? Give him a shout out. RichTVLive.com. He actually has all the links here. You just go to richtvlive.com, click on cryptocurrency, and look at these: WorldCoin Index, CoinMarketCap, a lot of these that I mentioned today, Coinbase, right? Binance, KuCoin, and some others. There are other places you can go on here as well. Pretty cool. All right, so that's how you get involved with starting to purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I'm going to title this "How Do I Buy Bitcoin?" but you can purchase other things as well. You might just want to start with Bitcoin. That may be the easiest way to go. It's the most popular one. Plenty of volume, plenty of liquidity, meaning plenty of buyers and sellers. You don't have to worry about running out anytime soon of buyers and sellers when it comes to Bitcoin. All right, so I hope that was helpful to you. My name is David Modell. And if you'd like some help, again, you need a plan. You don't just want to start buying stuff. And you definitely don't want to put way too much of your money into Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. You want to be careful. Small position sizing is the key. And I can help you formulate a plan because you really need to decide how much you're going to put in, how long you're going to hold it, entry points, exit points, where do you take profits, stop losses if you want to use them, that kind of thing. And if you don't know what those are, that's cool. I can teach those. My name is David Modell. You can email me anytime at davidmodell@gmail.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and leave a comment. I like your comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell on YouTube so you can receive the latest updates on my financial educational videos. Also, you will see me put out sponsored or promotional videos. It might be on an ICO or a small stock, penny stock, that kind of thing, mining companies, whatever it might be, blockchain companies, cannabis stock companies, whatever it is. So if you really want to support me, and this won't cost you any money at all, just click on those sponsored videos, promotional videos. If you see something that looks like maybe an infomercial kind of thing, you can help me out. Just click on it. That's all. That way, I can bring you more of these videos that are really useful and helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you again soon.